awkward.
Stupid.
Hey, you did overnight. Not eating nothing. Hey.
Hey, Jen.
Really? You still holding on to this? All I was trying to do was protect you.
Well, since you're gonna bring it up in front of your girlfriend, I don't need protecting. All those times you watched me break down over Khalil, and it never dawned on you to tell me he's alive.
Jen, I was about to, okay? But Painkiller damn near killed me. He killed Tavon, and the damn thing killed Khalil's mom. So in my mind, Jen, he was not alive. Look, I figure you were better off just not knowing.
You think that's up to you to decide for me? You're just like Dad.
Hey, Jen. Yo.
Hey. You better dig deep, dude. You've turned down joining the fight in every simulation we've run.
Man, get out of my face.
You know, every team is as good as its weakest link. Just have the pride to not consistently be it.
Don't come at me with that pride stuff. I know what the ASA is about. I'm not trying to get killed for you.
And why bother to go?
I don't have to explain nothing to you.
I will grant you the ASA has been doing wrong, but that's why I'm here, to use my experience to help.
Oh. So now you want to help. Okay, so how many kids have you killed? Helped kill. Exactly. Come on, man. Do something. I dare you.
Really?